new Volvo EX90. Today marks a new era for Volvo. Safety, sustainability and technology. And while much has changed, much has stayed the same. New technology, of course, but anchored to our heritage. Pioneers in the protection of people and planet, with the sole purpose to provide people the freedom to move in a personal, sustainable and safe way. We have used our decades of experience. Externally, we have 16 ultrasonic sensors. We have 8 cameras. We have 5 radar systems. And of course, we have fitted directly to the roofline for maximum visibility and maximum protection.
In our bid to create a shield of safety around the vehicle, we have combined sensors with a deliberate overlap. Radars to detect an object